Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chad. If you like drone reviews and drone related stuff, go ahead and start by hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know the next time I post my videos. Alright, today is a video that is long overdue. If you guys remember a couple months ago, today is Tuesday, February 25th, and it appears that I have fallen victim to the many problems of the Zino 2. But thanks to my man Chuck, a.k.a. Clutch Cargo, I received this in the mail. This is the ribbon cable that is that I need to replace. This one inside is defective, and that's why I'm not getting FPV. So thank you, Chuck, and I will send you my extra part once I get it in the mail. It was a month before Hubsan actually put mine in the mail, and then I also ordered a couple extra ones from AliExpress. However, due to the coronavirus pandemic, I believe my mail is stuck somewhere, and as of right now I have no idea where it is. So I put in a request with the postal service to see if they can find it, and we'll see what happens. What we're going to do right now is actually power this down and take out the battery, and we're going to take this camera off and go ahead and replace the ribbon cable. So I'm not going to make this a long video, so I'm going to actually speed this up a little bit. Alright, now that I got all the screws out, all I need to do is just lift this up and detach the cable from the board here. So I'll use my little screwdriver here with the rubber or plastic or rubber tip on it. Just detach it. Now, what I need to do is take this part off here and then just take the cable off. Just need to take one off and loosen this up here, and all I need to do is just slide this over like so. Let's focus on here. Put this autofocus. Alright, and just pop this off. Alright, so this is the bad cable. Bad cable here. So I have the new cable right here. This thing is very thin. Actually, it's thinner than this one here, but it's supposed to be better. So what I'm gonna do is attach it to I'm gonna attach it to the camera first. Attached. Slide this back over. See if we can get in a little tighter here. All right. Just a little tight enough to where I won't strip the little screw. All right, so what we want to do is just place this back inside. And I don't know how many times I've done this over and over. All right, make sure it's secure. And fold it up like that. Here. Sit right down on there. So, all right, now let's put this back together. Alright, so I'm not going to put this white panel back on just yet. Just going to test out the camera first to make sure it is working. Alright, so I'm going to put the battery back in. Power it back up. Power on the remote, and this is the moment of truth here. Yeah. And let's see. Nothing yet. It hasn't connected to the remote. It's connected to the remote now. And in the signal, USB. Wow, FPV. There we go. Now I got to do my updates, but I'm not going to drag you guys through this. I'm going to go ahead and do my updates and see if I can get this thing up and running, and definitely expect some, I guess, some more videos with this, finally, with this Zino 2. It's been 2 months. I've flown it, you know, in the backyard, you know, line of sight, because you can actually fly it with just a remote. But other than that, I haven't done anything else with it. So, you know, this is long overdue, and I want to thank Chuck again, Clutch Cargo. Thanks again for sending this to me. It was Greg Pickman also who offered to send me, you know, a spare part as well. And thank you for that. I appreciate it. And you guys, you know, stay tuned for some more videos with the Zino 2. I do have maybe a couple more videos I can, you know, put out. I do want to do a range test with it. QC guy did a range test maybe a month ago, and he went out like a measly 7.8 kilometers. So I want to go out there and put this out there and see if I can beat that. So I'm calling you out, QC guy, range test challenge. All right, so you guys stay tuned. So if you do like this type of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know the next time I post my videos. This was just a short video just to put this out there to my audience to let you know that my Zino 2 is back up and running. So you guys stay tuned, all right? But until then, guys, you guys stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. All right? Peace.